Google SketchUp is developed for the conceptual stages of design. SketchUp is powerful yet easy to learn 3D software. We think of it as a pencil of digital design. This award-winning software combines a simple yet robust tool set to streamline and simplify 3D design inside your computer. SketchUp is being used by anyone with the desire to dream, design, and communicate in 3D. Welcome to the Google SketchUp. We start with the user interface. Here at the top we have title bar, which will show the model name and as well the application name. At this corner, right corner, we have the standard Windows control buttons, and next we have the menu bar. Inside this menu you have lots of commands are grouped or arranged. If you see some commands are gray, that means these commands are not available at now, and the available commands are brightened. Some commands have shortcut keys like you see zoom windows, control plus shift W, which will show you how to assign, and even have only one key, one shortcut key. You see for orbit Y, and so you can say for line L and much more. So it's unlike Autocad, which you have to enter shortcut key and then enter. By first inject shortcut key, that command will be activated. Here in Windows we have tray, default tray. You see if you look at the right side, here we have a default tray. So this tray could a series of tools you can use, and which give us access to those tools. We select from here in our model, which has lots of use in the model. You can subtract something or you can add something you want to the tray, and this tray could be automatically hidden from here also. Auto hide whenever you need, just bring your cursor and hold it. See the instructor or line command is activated. The instructions show what line tool does, how it works, and much more. Next we have in Windows here preferences, and preferences, you know, in each program, in each application, it controls the behavior of the application. We'll be studying this thing later with the shortcuts in this thing. First let's come to the toolbar. Here are the toolbars. You arrange the tools according to your usage, on what you are usually working. For example, line, arc, circle, and these all things. It could be managed from here. You come to view and toolbar. These toolbar could be subtracted. For example, getting started, you are removing this toolbar, you don't need it. Edit, we have here added some more tools. So if you don't like it's here, we have one more option. You just simply uncheck all of them, and something, or for example we don't need it here, but we have one more large tool to select here, and the most important thing we usually used and have lots of usage in Google SketchUp will appear at the left. Okay, come to here, preferences. And preferences, for example, we want to give shortcuts to something, and we want to remove some shortcuts, and we want to modify some shortcuts. We need, for example, for orbit camera in this O. For example, here we have camera. There is camera, orbit Y, but I said no, if you give O for orbit, I will remember it. So I'm giving here O, pressing O button plus. What is it? O is currently used by tool offset. Would you like to reassign O to camera tool? I said yes. And the Y should be removed to give it to another. Okay, we lost already offset. See here we have no shortcut for offset, but we have lots of use for offset tools. Again, say F is currently used by tool, follow me. Oh, I mean that O was good for this one. We gave O to the offset, and camera changing to something orbit. I think R will be okay. R is also assigned. The earlier Y was there, so you can give Y to assign it here. This was all for today for the user interface.